From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hey there, good Tuesday afternoon to you. I'm meteorologist Snow Bergen on a day that started with snow on the ground. I know it's the last thing that we all want to see, but we had the snow yesterday, and I'll show you here the time lapse from Beaver Stadium. You see the snow just quickly melted away as soon as we got to mid-morning. That high April sun angle really doing its work now, beginning to melt that snow and warm things up. We had more clouds filter in throughout the afternoon now. Late this afternoon, we've got a mainly overcast sky, and that's how things are going to remain through the night tonight. We might have some partial clearing later, but generally it's going to be an overcast evening. Temperatures now, we're still a good 15 to 20 degrees below our average, sitting in the lower 40s in State College. Across the rest of the state, near 50 in the Lehigh and Susquehanna Valley. Middle 30s in the Laurel Highlands, much of the same in Bradford, 35 degrees. Satellite and radar just showing we've got some scattered snow showers across the ridges, Laurel Highlands, and northern tier. There's not going to be much in the way of snow showers or rain showers tonight. Nothing significant, nothing that's going to hinder any plans you have, but you'll want to grab the jacket as you're heading out this evening for any plans that you have. Looking at the radar and satellite, I want you to notice that there's really not much going on to our west. Despite, if you've been following the forecast, you know that there's some big changes coming later in the week. I'll get to that in just a moment. But there's some heavy rain down in the Florida area. But there's a very sharp temperature gradient across the United States, and that's going to cause a big storm to form later in this week and this weekend, which will bring a big change to our weather pattern. So the big stories here on this Tuesday, still can't rule out more snow in the long range. I know it's the middle of April. It's the last thing we want to hear, but next week, looks like we could have a cool down in the middle of the week, so we can't rule that out just yet. Enjoy the warmth. Book your tea times. I've got a tea time Saturday morning, 70s Friday and Saturday, but that will not last long. A major, and I mean a major cold front moves through on Saturday. I'll show you that in just a moment. But first, if you're stepping out tonight, temperatures falling into the 30s and then eventually into the 20s after midnight. There can be a few rain or snow showers early, and then once again early tomorrow morning. But tomorrow's a mostly cloudy day, a few peaks of sun with temperatures rising a little bit warmer into the lower 50s. And then tomorrow afternoon, as a warm front begins to approach our area, showers break out across the northern counties. And then tomorrow evening, I think this model's overdoing the rain chances for tomorrow evening. It's not going to rain terribly heavy tomorrow afternoon, but some scattered showers nonetheless. Those diminish Wednesday evening, and then in the wee hours Thursday morning as you're heading off to work and school, another round of showers moves in. This is in association with the actual warm front, which is going to bring warmer temperatures into Pennsylvania. Watch this as those showers move out. Temperatures soar during the middle and afternoon hours on Thursday. Temperatures into the 60s to near 70 Thursday afternoon. Now here's the major cold front I mentioned for later in the week. So Friday and Saturday are very warm days. And then there's going to be a backdoor cold front, so a cold front moving down from the south from New England. That's going to bring a significant drop-off in temperatures. Here's Friday evening, temperatures still in the 70s for most of Pennsylvania. Throughout the night Friday, temperatures fall back into the 50s. And then Saturday is yet another very nice day. Get outside and enjoy it. But once the sun sets Saturday, take a look at this crazy temperature gradient. 31 in Albany, 41 in Binghamton, and this front just pushes directly south. Watch this. By Sunday morning when you wake up, 42 degrees in State College, 34 in Scranton. So Sunday is going to be back to winter and Saturday feeling like spring. So some big changes in store for this upcoming weekend. Here's how the 7-day forecast looks here in central Pennsylvania. Get outside and enjoy Friday and Saturday because this warmth will not last long. Yes, the high temperature Sunday will be 46. The temperature Sunday will actually fall throughout the day, and then another storm system approaches for Monday, and depending upon how much cold air we have left over, there can be a wintry mix of sleet and snow, primarily in the northern counties of Pennsylvania, and that may linger into the day on Tuesday. Doesn't look significant at this point, but again, as I mentioned, we can't rule out the threat for wintry precipitation here in State College.